Okay, so today I am going to show you a simple fix to basically fix an issue where you have your headphones in your headphone jack in your phone, and maybe you can only hear one of the earbuds, or maybe you cannot hear either of them. Or maybe if you start playing with this, like moving this around, popping it in, maybe you'll start getting sound on both of them and then it'll cut out later. Or if you start messing around again, instead of the one earbud working, the other one will start working, this one will stop working. Okay, now this isn't going to help all of you, but basically if you use your same headphones and you pop it into another device and it works perfectly fine, then there's a good chance that you have lint and debris stuck inside your head jack, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Okay, so basically what you need to do first, and this is an old phone here, actually I went through all my phones trying to find an example, and luckily I found this one here and it had some lint in there. Okay, so basically how you're going to take that out is, what you want to do is get one of these brush picks. Okay, they look just like this, and let me go ahead and zoom in here. We're focusing on here, but there is basically a brush. You see those brush? Now you have to get the ones that are kind of strong. Okay, don't get the soft ones like this one here. Let me show you this one here. This one here is too soft. Okay, this isn't going to take anything out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put a link below where you can get these, but actually I mean you can get them at a local CVS as well, or Walgreens or Rite Aid, but I'll put a link below anyway. But anyways, so basically what you want to do is you want to grab this and you want to first go ahead and go into your headphone jack, and you kind of want to play with it a little bit. Okay, now the thing is, like, it's possible you may have dirt or debris or lint and stuff inside there, but it's also possible if you ever spilled anything on your phone, like coffee or like soda, it could be stuck in there with the lint as well. So the first way basically you do this, okay, you go ahead and stick your the side that doesn't have the brush all the way in here, and kind of just try to loosen some things up in there. And you don't want to go in too far. Okay, do that a little bit, and then you want to go back in here with the brush, put it in there, and then you kind of want to swirl it around like this and slowly move it up. Okay, now this phone here, as I was like moving up here, sometimes I would see stuff like flying all over. Okay, and this is the major stuff that I got out of there. So again, you want to do this a couple times. Go in there, kind of scrape it a little bit, not too hard though, and then use the brush part again. Go in there and you kind of want to swirl around and twist it and slowly bring it up. Okay, and then hopefully your headphones is working now. If it's not, it's possible that it could be really jammed down there and stuck with, from coffee or, Kool-Aid or any kind of sugary drink or anything like that. What you can do, the next step would be basically to get a Q-tip and take some of the cotton off like this. And then what you do from here is you want to get some rubbing alcohol and just dab it in there a little bit. Okay, now honestly, I mean, to tell you the truth, I mean, there's times I fix these without using rubbing alcohol. What I basically did was just, I just put saliva on it and I went in there and I fixed it, okay? But I don't advise that. Also, if you don't have one of these toothpicks, I mean, I have used safety pins before too to scrape out the lint, but I wouldn't advise that as well, okay? So anyways, you go ahead and, so it's like damp here, and then what you want to do is just put it down a little bit in there and kind of just move it around a little bit. See, there's a little bit of black stuff on there. Kind of do that, and then see if it works. If it doesn't, then go ahead and grab your brush pick again and go in there. And also, every once in a while when you're doing this too, you want to give it a nice blow. Just keep going in there, and hopefully this will get your phone up and running. Now, if your headphones is basically experiencing, like if one of your earbuds is like low volume, or it's like a dull sound, or both of them are dull, then this method isn't going to work. It's possible that you may have like earwax or lint stuck on your grill. You'll be surprised how like a little bit of lint or earwax can definitely dull out your sound and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions or still need assistance, just comment below. All right, thanks. Bye.